my peeps, it's Gina. I have the bargain bead box for the month of March. I already took it out of the package, but I did not open it. I haven't done anything with it since here. I figured instead of having that blue package and blocking out my name and address, I'll just throw it away. Okay, shall we get started? Seafoam Sunrise Collection. All right. Ready for spring break. Vacation vibes around with an array of Amazonite, including top drilled teardrop focal, high quality 8mm rounds, microfaceted 3mm beads, plus a pair of faceted half drilled drops, and a strand of matte flower Amazonite. In addition to all the blue-green beauty, you'll find frosted 10mm agate beads with sparkling crystals and peachy sunrise hues, plus antique copper finding with this fun swirls motifs. Sounds delicious. Alrighty, let's get started. This one is worth $89.84 if you were to buy everything individually. But this is $22.99 a month. It comes to your door. It is a monthly subscription, and every month is a different theme and different gemstones. And so if you're interested, I'll leave you a link and you can buzz over there and get started on having a subscription of your own. So here we go. Oh, I like the pretty blue. Baby blue. Pretty. Okay, dump it out. I think what I'm going to do is get this all situated, and I'll come back when I got everything all, well, I'm sure I can find it. Okay, 38 by 18 Amazonite teardrop pendant. Right here. That was easy to find. See? I can do this. Oh boy. Alright. I think I'll just set the bags to the side. That is pretty. Oh, look at all the green. That is really pretty. There's that. Let's stuff that over there. Okay, now we got a 3mm Amazonite faceted rounds. 3mm. Do these right here. Oh, this would be $9.99. $10 for this if you had to pay for it, but separately. Out we go. Oh wow, these are pretty. These are really pretty. I like them. I like them. Those are pretty. I love the colors. 18 by 16 Amazonite half drilled faceted teardrops. Excuse me. Yeah, it would be these. Oh, these top drilled. We want half drilled. Half drilled means they just go just in on top, the top a little bit. Huh. Well, maybe these are it. Let's see. No, these 18 by 16. Well, yeah, here they are. Top drilled. See, this is top drilled. This is half drilled. So, it threw me off. But I had them in the first place. I had them. So they should be. There's let me see if I got my little wire over here. So it only, yep. So you can put in like oh, I've got some of them too. Half drilled, like maybe an earring or something, and you kind of stick it in there, you glue it, and then you got yourself an earring. So here we have the two half drilled. I like the diamond faceting. That's pretty. It gives it more sparkle. It catches more light. I take this. Okay, 8mm Amazonite rounds. That would be, I don't think those, I think these are 10. Nope, they're 8mm. All right. Here we go. Oh, look at the color on these. Oh, aren't they pretty? Love, 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 love. Oh my goodness, I love them. They're so pretty. They look like the ocean. Yeah, because they got like little white. Look at this one right here. Oh my goodness, I just love them. I love these colors. 8mm flower Amazonite matte round beads. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh wow. You get these in the light and they're really pretty. I'm not really too fond of like matte because it kind of takes the color away, you know, like compared to this. This is like, you know, really pretty and shiny and, well, I'm attracted to shiny, sparkly, anything that shines. These are pretty though. They're very pretty. So those will go in there very well. 10mm agate matte round beads. 10mm. Yeah, well, these right here. These look like agate. Yep, 10mm agate right here. Got them. These matte. I love agate. I love agate. Like I said, matte, not so well. Maybe not on these. But they'll go. They'll work. 8x6 crystal faceted rondelle. Peaches and cream mix. Peaches and... Here we go. Peaches and cream. Oh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, isn't that pretty? This. Wow, it's kind of like, oh, look at it, kind of peachy and like honey color, milky color, crystal, AB. Oh my goodness, I love this. Love, love, love. Oh yeah, those are pretty. Those will definitely bring these alive. Definitely. So pretty. All right, I'm going to curl these up here. Okay. 8mm crystal faceted drops, beads, and marble mint. Marble mint. Here we go. I cut my nails. Okay. Marble mint. Faceted drop. Kind of like those dots that you get. That's what they look like. Dots. Except they're faceted and pretty. And love the color. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Got this green kind of like just striations going through. It's like, oh, so pretty. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's move on to the next. 2 pieces, 34x22 filigree teardrop pendants. 32 by... $34x22 filigree pendants. Here we go. I'm going to if I rub them, get them a little shiny. Oh yeah. Brought them to life a little bit there. Yeah. That's the back side. Oop. Are they mirror image? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can you see? Like, that would be really cool. Kind of zip them together. I don't know. Zip them together with wire or glue them. I don't know. I guess we'll have to figure that out when we get to playing with them. 4-piece, 19 by 16, scrolled chandelier finding. Scrolled chandelier findings. I threw all these bags over here, now I can't find what I'm looking for. Scrolled bead caps. Number 12. Nope, that's not it. That's not them. Chandelier. Here we go. Here's some chandelier. These are it. Yep. These are it. 4 of them. So, you got a front and a back. There's the front. There's the back. Flip them over. You could use these as chandelier earrings, where you put your ear hook up here and then have your stuff dangling down here. Or you could turn it this way and make like a 3-stranded bracelet or a 3-stranded necklace, and then hook your clasp to this. So you make a necklace and a bracelet if you wanted to. Nice. Okay. 7 by 5 ornate lantern spacer beads. Oh, I've seen those. Spacer beads. Right here. Yes. Oh, I like these. Oh, wow. Those are pretty. Those are pretty. I like them. I do like them. I like the colors. I really enjoy the colors that are going together here. Okay. Then we have a 30-piece, 7 millimeter scrolled bead caps. Those are these. Right here. Bead caps. Okay, let's look. We got the front side, and then we got the back side. So we got a little bit of each there so you can see what they look like. There, that looks better. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. What's next? 3 sets of modern floral toggle clasp. Toggle clasp. I haven't seen those. Oh, yeah, they are. They're there by themselves. Yeah, I don't use toggle clasp unless I use them down in front. I used toggle clasps, and every time I moved, my necklace came down. And my, so I'm not really into toggle clasps, but I do use them. I do. In certain situations. I don't like to just make a necklace or a bracelet and throw on a toggle clasp. Bracelets, maybe. All right. 1 meter of 5 by 3 steel cable jewelry chain. That would be these right here. 1 meter, so we got about 3 feet to work with. There it is. This is the 5 by 3. See? So you can see how it's little. You could do a cha-cha bracelet or necklace if you want. That's what comes to mind with me right there. Lots of room to do it. And then 10 piece 15 by 10 brass lever back ear wires. Lever back ear wires. Here they are. Nice. Lever backs are like secure because they clamp, but I had a pair, my ears close up, and so I had lever back, and I could not get my earring in my ear for nothing. I'm like, I don't know. I needed a post to just stick through it and get it reopened up. I was having a hard time with the lever backs. Okay, we got 5 grams of 40 millimeter 22 gauge steel eye pins. Nice. Can always use eye pins. These are eye pins. I ain't gonna take them out. They're eye pins. And then we have free bonus 12 by 6 brass pinch bail and antique copper. Uh-oh. What'd I do? I made a mess, and now I gotta find it. Unless I don't have it. That could be a possibility, too. Here's all the bags. Oh, here it is. Found it. I found it. Pinch bail. Nice. Free bonus, huh? Huh. I guess they decided to throw this in. It's a pinch bail. So you open this up, and then you can pinch it in well, here. Like this. You can open it up, put those little teeth in the holes there, and then pinch it shut. And you got yourself a bail. Nice. Well, I'm happy. I am really, really happy with the colors. I love, 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 love. Love these. I can't wait to get started. I just want to get started. I've already made a video today. So this will be my second one. Well, actually my third, because I did one at 1 o'clock in the morning. So I guess I'll wait on making something until tomorrow. I gotta play tomorrow. Alrighty, well that concludes the end of this video. So please hit like, or because it does, when you do hit like, it does help my channel. And then subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything, it just helps my channel. So that's all I have to say. So until next time, happy beading.